I'm here in Santo Niño Church. I know I featured this before, but this is for my new subscribers, because the last time I featured this I just have around 2,000 to 3,000 subscribers, and now it's almost 53,000. So there's always something new around here. Like, let's see, more balloon vendors. Oh, loads of balloon vendors. Ilan yun, ani dudong?
65.
65? Mahal na so. Bakit? 120. So 120 for the frog, 65 for the balik na dong eh. So of course you got the prayer ladies that will say a prayer to you, and this is where they held the mass, the big Santo Niño mass area. Santo Niño, guide of God's children to humility and service. So also this is the favorite selfie space. So this is the altar, and you can sit on the top as well. There are like benches on the top when everything here is full up. Usually when it's sinulog time, you can't hardly get in here. Loads of devotees will flock in the place. And the mass also have a big TV screen that you can see what the priest is doing, so you can answer properly to the required prayers. So they got the Santo Niño statues. So the Jesus in the cross, the Blessed Virgin Mary, and the Santo Niño here, the replica of the Santo Niño. But I'll be going inside the church. So that is the church, the old Spanish church. Most people, if you visit the Magellan's Cross of Cebu City, which is the icon of Cebu City, next to it is the Santo Niño Church. You might as well just drop by and have a look at the Basílica de Santo Niño, because the Santo Niño is the patron saint of Cebu, particularly Cebu City. So it's not so crowded like it used to be. If today is Thursday. And it's quite dark inside, so I think I'll use the other camera for the inside. So this is the church, the vicinity of the church, and I could see across there a lot of vendors on that side again. All the flowers and stuff. We might just go there as well.